Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to disable the tutorial in Temple Run 2. If you're tired of seeing the tutorials every time you start a new game in Temple Run 2, then follow these quick steps. First of all, open up the Temple Run 2 app on your device. From the main homepage, tap on the gear button appearing at the top left corner. This will open up the settings menu. Now, go ahead and scroll down until you see the show tutorial option. Toggle on the show tutorial button off, and then after you do that, you can start playing the game. Now once you do that, the tutorial won't appear when you play the game. And that's it. You can now dive straight into the game without the tutorial interruptions. Time to set the new high scores. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more gaming tips. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.